Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Aarti Bhatt. I am the dance teacher of LP Savani Vidya Bhavan English Medium School. People are saying this 2020 it is not good for everybody, and for Bollywood we can say yes because we have lost many good actors this year. Like first we lost Rishi Kapoor ji, then Irfan Khan, and before some days we lost Sushant Shree Rajput. And so I have select the song which is from his movie, and it is Sweetheart. He was actually a very talented actor, and this choreography is also for my very talented students. So, as usual, we will start the steps without music. I will show you the steps and then we will do it with the music. So, first, it is without music. First, you have to turn back side our both the hands up, and we have to move our waist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, turn. Okay, you have to turn from here. Our both the hands are here. This is your right side. So right side you have to move your waist. Then turn from your right. Then right leg, left leg, right leg, left leg, right leg, left leg. You just have to clip down, middle, up, and same leg, same hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 2 beats. 1, 2, 1, 2. Here we are supposed to come forward, and then this step we will come 1, 2, 1, 2 at the center. Again I will show it to you. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change 1, 2, 3. We have to bend little bit. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tuck. Here our music will get over. Now next lyrics will start. For lyrics you have to keep your right leg up, left hand down and dipping. Dipping I have taught you, very basic dipping. I have already taught you, so dipping it is very much important in this step. Now you have to clip up and this is your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you have to cross your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, this is the right hand. Right up, down, cross and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The twist is with dipping you have to go back because for next step we have to come forward with right leg and right hand. Forward and turn and tuck. This right hand and right leg and one posture. See. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This will be the posture. Now from here you have to do the action of eating. This is the action. Eating action. Okay. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4. And dipping will be continued. Now next is left, right. 2 times. Again you see my leg will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I am stretching my leg. 1, sleep, 2, sleep, 3, 4. Now this hand will be up. Now from here you have to take full turn. Now while taking turn from this hand, you have to bend a little bit this side. Bend your leg, turn. Okay, from here you have to turn. Then 1, it means right leg you have to take and both the hands cross, straight, cross, straight. Leg will be right, right. Only right leg I am using, and legs and hands. Both the hands, both the hands, both the hands together. Here we will finish. Again I am doing it without music. Please check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This will be the music. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Tuck, 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 tuck. Back, 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 back. Front, front, posture. Then eating action 4 times, and we have to start eating by this side. Your right, right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take turn, 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 and turn के बाद cross and cross. Clear? Now with the music. Okay students, okay. So for today, this many of steps are enough. You have to practice all the steps, and important thing is now from next period, I mean next batch, I will continue with the same song. So till then you have to practice the same steps, and then we will continue with the same song. And till then, stay safe at home. Stay safe at home and keep dancing. Thank you.